This instructional video will demonstrate how to unpack and set up your new Kyocera ECOSYS PA4000WX printer. Open the box and remove the packaging material, accessory box, power cord, and safety guide. Be careful and lift the machine out of the box by the shipping bag and place it on a flat surface. Remove the plastic shipping bag. Remove all packaging tape and any additional packing material. Push this button on top of the printer to open the front cover and remove the packaging tape with the yellow instruction sheet. If you have purchased additional paper feeders, PF1100, place the printer on top of the extra paper feeder. You can have up to 2 PF1100 feeders. Open the top cover. Press the toner container release button located here. This will unlock the toner container. Rotate the toner container up until these arrows line up. Close the top and front cover. It's now time to power on the printer. Select the Power on Wired Network Install video.